Hello, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change ChatGPT themes. So, let's get started. When you're into ChatGPT, you will see your name or email in the far left down corner. You will click the 3 points and you will click on the settings. And by general, you can see the themes and you can choose your themes. It can be dark like this one that I have right now. It can be, of course, light. It's all white and light. And of course you can change by the third thing, but it's the same is the system. The system is like on every other browser. It takes the browsers that you are using. If you are using more light themes on your browsers, or I don't know, like YouTube, or more dark themes, it will choose the theme by default. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial how to change your basic themes on ChatGPT. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other quick or major questions, ask in the comments or visit our channel. We have everything covered. And see you in the next one. Bye.